Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table? Like you're spending and spending, but not getting anything back? Well, if you're a Tangerine credit card holder or thinking about becoming one, you might be surprised at just how much you can actually earn back. We're talking cashback, people. And today, we're diving deep into the world of Tangerine cashback categories to help you maximize your rewards. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly recap what cashback actually is. Simply put, it's like getting a small percentage of your spending back as cash. So, if you spend $100 and have a 2% cashback rate, you'll get $2 back. Over time, this can really add up, especially if you're using your credit card for everyday purchases. Tangerine offers a unique approach to cashback. Instead of having fixed categories like some other cards, they give you the power of choice. This is a huge advantage because it allows you to tailor your cashback to your specific spending habits. So, how does it work? With the Tangerine Moneyback credit card, you get to choose two categories where you'll earn 2% cashback. All other purchases earn 0.5% cashback. This means strategically selecting your categories is key to maximizing your rewards. Let's explore the available categories. First up, we have groceries. This is a popular choice for many people since everyone needs to eat. This category includes purchases made at supermarkets, grocery stores, and even some smaller convenience stores. If you're a regular grocery shopper, selecting this category can lead to significant savings. Next, we have restaurants. This category covers a wide range of dining experiences, from fast food joints to fine dining establishments. If you frequently eat out or order takeout, this is a great category to consider. Then there's gas. With fluctuating gas prices, this category can be a real money saver for those who drive regularly. This includes purchases made at gas stations and fuel pumps. Another category is drugstores. This covers purchases made at pharmacies and drugstores, including prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and other health and beauty products. We also have home improvement. This category is perfect for those who are constantly working on home projects or renovations. It includes purchases made at hardware stores, home improvement centers, and building supply stores. Next up is furniture. If you're furnishing a new home or simply updating your existing furniture, this category can help you earn some cashback on those larger purchases. We also have entertainment. This covers a wide range of leisure activities, including movie tickets, concerts, sporting events, and other forms of entertainment. If you enjoy going out and having fun, this is a great category to choose. Then there's public transportation and parking. This is a useful category for those who rely on public transportation or frequently pay for parking. It includes purchases made for bus fares, train tickets, subway rides, and parking fees. And finally, we have recurring bill payments. This is a really interesting category. It allows you to earn cashback on regular bills that you pay, such as phone bills, internet bills, and streaming services. However, there are some specific conditions. You must set up these payments as pre-authorized payments directly with the merchant for them to qualify for the 2% cashback. Simply paying a bill online through your bank or using your credit card manually each month won't qualify. Now that we've covered all the categories, let's talk about how to choose the right ones for you. The key is to analyze your spending habits. Take a look at your past credit card statements or bank statements to see where you spend the most money. For example, if you spend a significant portion of your budget on groceries and gas, then choosing those two categories would likely be the most beneficial. On the other hand, if you rarely drive but frequently eat out and enjoy entertainment, then choosing restaurants and entertainment would make more sense. Remember, you can change your chosen categories. Tangerine allows you to switch your 2% cashback categories, but there are some rules. You can change your categories, but you can only do so once per statement period. This gives you some flexibility to adjust your strategy as your spending habits change. It's also important to understand how the 0.5% cashback on all other purchases works. This means that even if you're not earning 2% in a specific category, you're still getting something back on every purchase you make. While it's a smaller percentage, it still adds up over time. One more thing to note is that the cashback is calculated monthly and is automatically credited to your account. You can choose to have it applied as a statement credit, which reduces your balance, or you can have it deposited into a Tangerine savings account. Now, let's address a few common questions. Can I get cashback on cash advances? No, cashback is not earned on cash advances, balance transfers, or certain other transactions. Are there any limits to how much cashback I can earn? No, there are no annual or monthly limits on the amount of cashback you can earn. Can I combine this with other Tangerine offers? Yes, you can often combine the cashback with other Tangerine promotions or offers, which can further increase your savings. So, to recap, the Tangerine Moneyback Credit Card gives you the power to choose two categories where you earn 2% cashback, with all other purchases earning 0.5%. The available categories include groceries, restaurants, gas, drugstores, home improvement, furniture, entertainment, public transportation and parking, and recurring bill payments. You can change your chosen categories once per statement period. Choosing the right categories based on your spending habits is crucial for maximizing your rewards. By strategically selecting your categories, you can essentially get a discount on the things you buy most often. This can really add up over time and put some serious money back in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.